Hi everyone. Today in this video I'm making this by request that many of you wanted to see me actually felt the hair in. So I thought I would make a short video. There are a lot of experienced needle felters here on YouTube. If you look up reborn rooting hair for new reborns, they are so much more experienced than I am. I just kind of picked it up and found a way to make it work for me. But I want to thank someone that left me a comment, and she explained to me that what I was doing is when I said that you go straight down for fullness, or if you want your hair to lay in a certain direction, that's the way that you place your needle on your wig cap, that is called directional needle felting. And that truly opened up the doors to me of what it was that I was really doing. Now I can even improve my wigs by just knowing that that is called directional. Okay, I have a piece of hair here, and I find just a small amount. I fold it in half, and I kind of just twist it. You have these little barbs that catches the hair. Now I found that you don't have to sit there and just really try to get it in that barb. I found that I just don't want my hair way up here. I want it down, and it works better. Okay, so I'm going to do the side. Where the side is, I want that hair to lay down and not have so much fullness. So I still have some bare spots, and I'm going to show you. You take I find that if this little L-shape thing, your needle is like on this side, it works better for me. I don't know. Maybe somebody will educate me on that. Okay, I'm going to take the needle, and maybe I should bring the camera up a little for this. Whoops. Let's see. Okay. Take a little bit of hair, and I don't want to take it down here because that's going to make your hair different lengths. Okay, I tried to go in the center, and I am going on the side of that needle and just push it in. Now I'm going to pull it out. Let's see. Let me show you the sideways. See, it would be like this. Less volume. Okay, now I'm going to just slide that needle out. Now, you're going to have some hair that comes out, and really you only want a small amount of hair in that hole. This is what makes it look so natural. So I'm just going to pull on the hair very lightly, and there's my hair. It's right there. That is how much hair is in that hole. And that's how you do it. And I find that as you're working with your hair, by keeping it clean with the strands, makes it easier. So now I want fullness. So I'm going to take the hair, and I'm going to go straight down. Pull my needle out, and see, that's all the hair you put in it, and you keep doing that Now sometimes you'll get more hair than that. That's okay. Don't worry about it. I mean, this is a little time consuming rather than taking the hair and gluing it. But I think for me, you get such a nicer look to it. Pull the hair. See, sometimes I'll leave the needle in and I'll pull the hair out. You know, it's whatever works for you. Okay? And if you don't like the hair, you know, just pull it out. That's how I do it. Now, if I'm going to do her bangs, get it back in the camera here. If I'm going to do her bangs, which I don't want them to be really puffy, but I do want a little lift to it. So instead of going on the side, I'm going to bring that needle up just a little bit. So I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to lay it down, but I'm going to come up just a little bit. Pull my hair, and there you have it. And that's it, you guys. For me, when I first did this, I thought, this just isn't going to work for me. But you know, I kept trying and trying, and because I was experimenting it with it so much, it gave me the opportunity to really give it a try, and I have to say I totally love it. It does not feel like it is time consuming. What it really feels to me is every time I put a hair in, I am seeing such great results. Now here's a little tip for you. Let's say you've got a little area where you say, well, you know, I can't seem to get that spot covered, and I really don't need any more hair. Take some paint, acrylic paint, water it down, you know, the color that you want. Like in this situation, I would use brown. Just water it down and then just lightly dab it on that wig cap, and it'll cover up that bare spot. I hope this explains it, and I have to get back with my other video, and I'm going to be showing you what I use to paint, and I have not seen anyone use these. So I hope that you will stay with me and see what it is. It might not be anything that you would like to use, but I think it would be just really nice to see something different. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Leave me a comment. I answer everyone. And until then, I will see you soon. Thank you.